Back at it again, my friends. Knocking out another paid project right here. Coming soon, baby. I think it's time everybody should level up. Always knocking out some projects. Got hit up to do this level up design right here for a client. This is the finished project right here. Well, the semi-finished one. As you can see right here, got the embroidery scissors, fabric of choice. About to knock out a couple more on the machine right now. Need me to digitize your logo? Hit me up. It ain't free, but I got you. Throw it on a USB stick. You know, I can send it to you. You could do it yourself, or you could pay me to, stitch them up for you. First things first, we got the thread on the machine. We're gonna go ahead and stitch it. You can see here the machine is already threaded. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the button, and this is the first step, which is a placement stitch to let me know exactly where my design is getting ready to go. Once we have the placement, we will go ahead and throw the fabric down. Nice size. Put it on like the brand for like a t-shirt or something like that, the side of a hat, which is exactly what the customer is. Ready to throw the fabric down just to cover that spot. Ain't trying to waste no fabric that I ain't gotta waste, so we're gonna place it just enough over the fabric is placed. Press the button, kind of hold it so it doesn't move around too much, and it's gonna tack it down. This is what you call a tack down stitch. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out with the embroidery scissors. There it is. So now that we got that laid out, I'm gonna go ahead and hit these scissors right here and cut it out. It's all cut out now. Throwing the lever back down. It's gonna make that turn green for those of you who might get lost and say, why isn't it working? Once it's green, it's ready. We got 4 minutes coming up. Another completely finished project right here. Level up for the client. I only had to use one piece of fabric, and as you guys can see, cut it out. There it is, and these all do have the adhesive on the back. Put them on whatever you want. Level up, baby.